So it's coming up to Christmas, and that can only mean one thing, the TT Christmas giveaway. You've probably already noticed this pile of tech behind me, and these are actually the giveaway prizes. Now it's not going to be like normal and all the prizes go to one winner. It's going to be one winner a day, and each prize will go out to a separate winner. So the way we're going to do this year is we're going to start off with the smaller prizes and work our way up, so the people on Christmas and Boxing Day will be getting more valuable prizes. Now this is going to be every day. I'm going to pick a winner every day and send it out, and it will be running up until Boxing Day, so that's 20 days of giveaways. So we're going to go through the prizes, and then I'll be showing you how you can enter the giveaway, and there's actually going to be daily entries. So number one is the mini drone. You can see a little mini drone there, remote control. A great prize, would be great for kids for something like that. Next is the Yoyofit Fitness tracker, and all of these products as well, I've reviewed them, so I'll leave links to the reviews for those of you that want to watch them. Yoyofit tracker though, just a fitness band, probably in competition with the Mi band. Pretty similar, although this one does have a colour screen. Next up we have the i9s TWS earbuds. Now these are actually AirPod clones. They sound okay, they do a pretty good job. They don't sound as good as AirPods, and they don't look quite the same, but they're still good TWS earbuds. Next up, we've got the Z6 4K Android box. So for those of you that want an Android media center, it's a pretty budget box, but it does the job, and of course, if it's free, you can't complain with that. So these are just the starter prizes. Next day, we've got another i9s TWS, so the same as the one just there. Next day we've got Acekool Bluetooth wireless headphones. So these sound pretty good. They just go over your head. They're Bluetooth, so nice and easy there. Next we've got the Alfawise A8 Android TV box. Another budget TV box, but it does the job. It will run all of your APKs. It will run Kodi, anything you need in that sense. Next up we have the Xioami Mi Box. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this. A great TV box running official Android TV OS. So those of you that are fans of the Android TV OS, that's going to be a great prize. Next is the Tribit Xsound Go, a portable Bluetooth speaker, and this one, for the size, it sounds incredible, so I strongly recommend you check out my review on that one, because even if you don't win, that is my recommendation for a budget speaker. Next up we've got the Soundpeats True Free TWS earbuds, great sounding earbuds at a great price. So again, check out my video on that if you want to know more, but now we're going up to the better prizes. So next prize is the Zenbre H6 Bluetooth wireless headphones. These sound great, they're very comfortable, they've got built-in mic, they really are a good pair of headphones. Next we have the i10 TWS AirPod clones. Now these are from the same company as the i9s, but these pretty much look exactly the same as real AirPods. They're not quite as good sound as real AirPods, but they're very close, and they look exactly the same. The case is a bit different, but the actual earbuds themselves do look exactly the same there. Next we've got the H96 Pro 4K dongle. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it before, but I'll just get it out of the box. So this is basically sort of like a Fire Stick, but a better version. It's more powerful, it's got more RAM. It's a good device and just plugs straight in via HDMI. Next we've got the Vorke Z6 Plus Android TV box, another Android TV box for all you guys out there that like your APKs in Kodi. Next, hidden behind here, we've got the H96 Max Android TV box, another great device, one of my recommended ones actually. I was pretty impressed with this one for the price. Next we've got the Z8 Plus Soundbank speaker. This is an incredible sounding Bluetooth speaker. You can see it's quite big, makes some great sounds, and it also doubles up as a power bank, so you can charge your devices while listening to music from them, and I do actually really like this one, so that one is a great prize. Next we've got the R99 V1. So for those of you that haven't seen it, the R99 is a fantastic device and one of my favourites. You can't really get it anymore because they've got the R99 V2, which is actually a worse version. It's using a more budget system on chip, so the V1 is the better device, but unfortunately no one seems to stock it anymore, so that's going to be a great prize for someone. Next we've got the One More triple driver in-ear earphones. These sound absolutely incredible. If you're an audiophile and you like to listen to your music, then this is going to be a great prize. I was very impressed with these, and even Just even the packaging on these is fantastic. They're very good sounding. They look great, so definitely a good price. Next up, we've got the Cubot P20 Pro. This is a mobile phone. It's an Android phone. Great phone from Cubot. The only downside to this one is it is sort of an iPhone clone. Looks similar in ways, but it's a great device, great specs. Someone is going to be happy with that. And then finally, the Boxing Day prize. So this is going to be the day after Christmas. We've got 2 prizes to give to that winner. So we get rid of these. First of all, we've got the Tribit S electrostatic portable Bluetooth speaker. It's also got NFC. This one looks and sounds incredible. It's really good at delivering all the sound. Not so good with the bass, but it's more for people that want to listen to the music. But if I just get this out and show you, it's a portable speaker, electrostatic speakers on the side, and it literally is incredible. So that is a great prize, but of course that's not the only prize for the Boxing Day winner, because they'll also be getting the Xioami soundbar. So if I just put this back in here, as well as the Tribit, they'll be lucky enough to win the Xioami soundbar, a great sounding soundbar. The only downside to this one is it doesn't come with a remote. So that is a little frustrating if you're using optical out. If you're using any other input source, then it's not a problem because you can still change the volume. So given the size of this, I'm really hoping that a UK winner wins this. But as always, the winners are picked randomly. It's open to anyone internationally. Wherever you are in the world, I'll post it to you free of charge. So although I'm hoping for a UK winner on this one, it can be anyone. So no need to worry on that if you want to enter. So that's all of the prizes, and as I said, we're going to start with the cheaper ones, pick a winner every day and work our way through. Now if I'm busy, I may miss a couple of days, and probably on weekends it will be a bit slower, but if that ever happens, I'll just catch up and maybe do 3 giveaways in one. So make sure you do keep an eye out on these giveaways, but now I'm going to be showing you how to enter. So to enter, it's nice and simple. I've placed a link down in the description below that takes you to this page here. As you can see, there are plenty of ways to enter. You've got entry for subscribing to my channel, you've got an entry for watching a video, you've also got an entry for following and tweeting some tweets on Twitter, you've also got another one for visiting the TT Facebook page and liking the page, and finally there's a daily bonus entry. So as well as this daily bonus entry, there's also going to be a different video to watch each day. So the only thing with the video is you need to make sure you watch the whole video, but that will give you 100 different entries. So you can keep coming back each day to get an entry, and as I said, I will be picking a winner every day. Now I may not be able to post the prizes every single day, but I will at least be doing 1 post run a week. So it may be if I'm too busy that I'll have to get them all and post them at the end of the week, but most of the time I'll be able to do it every few days. So as always, this is open internationally. Wherever you are in the world you can enter. I'm going to be paying for all the postage, so there's no worries there, and at least 20 of you guys are going to be getting these Christmas presents from me. So as always, if there's anything you're confused with or you've got any questions, simply ask them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for subscribing to my channel, thank you for all the support so far, and good luck in the giveaway.